Hello, tool buffs. Today we're diving into a toolbox full of rusted equipment. This treasure trove of tools was left out in the elements 15 years ago. 15 years undisturbed, 15 years of occasional California rain, 15 years of rust buildup. What kind of tools are we gonna find? Up first, we have a Bondhus 5/32 of an inch ball hex driver. As an automotive technician, we're familiar with Icon, Snap-on, Matco, Klein tools, but Bondhus? Am I even saying it right? Bondhus? I ain't never heard of no Bondhus. This is a really cool specialty tool. I'm gonna add it to a collection. Up next, speaking of Klein tools, we have a wire stripper with some really cool patina. Look at that. Oh yeah. It doesn't seem to be seized. 15 years of rain. It's kind of seized. The real question is, will it cut wire? And I so happen to have some wire right here. Oh, it did not cut the wire. Pinched it, but did not cut it. So these need to be sharpened up. The wire stripper portion probably doesn't even work either. Klein tools, part number 11045. You can still get these from Amazon. The Bondhus, you can also buy from Amazon. So this company is still around. Coming up next, we have this. Looks like Aviation Snips. These are the WISS M2072, made in USA. And they are not seized. Oh, look at that, you guys. 15 years of rain, 15 years of rust, and these are still good. Just clean them up, they'd be good to go. Up next, we have some general slip joint pliers, not seized. They could use a good polishing. Looks like we have a stubby. Is this a snap-on stubby? That's my question. And I so happen to have a snap-on stubby hanging right here. So it's probably not a snap-on. The handle seems to be a little bit bigger. But just polish this up and it will be good to go. Really cool tool. Up next, we have Cobra Professional Tools. This is a 3/16 of an inch nut driver. And here's another tool company that I've never heard of, Cobra. And apparently they're still in business. You can get Cobra tools from Amazon. Another tool for the collection. This one didn't survive. GearWrench 81881, 6-inch Crescent wrench. Garbage. Speaking of garbage, this is a ratchet. Looks like a generic ratchet that lost the mechanism. All you see is just the teeth. Looks cool. Looks like it would grip onto some nut. Huh? Here's one that I couldn't find any info on. It's the Flexrake ARB 802. This is a company that was probably short-lived, and this is probably a rare tool. Flexrake. It's seized, can't open it. How much is this gonna go for, huh? If you have any info on this, let me know in the comments. Generic screwdriver. And look at this guy right here. Patina for days. If anybody wants one of these tools, I can send it out to you. If some of you are interested in these kind of rusted out tools. This one's totally seized. Barely can move it. Just lube it up, clean it up, sharpen it up. This could be put back into use. No name on it. It only says USA right here. Made in the USA. Pittsburgh. Oh, this has been here for 15 years, and you can just put a new blade on it. It'll be good to go. A Pittsburgh mini cutter. So Harbor Freight was around 15 years ago, eh? I thought Harbor Freight was a newer kind of a thing. And here's another cutter, a Cobalt. Missing a blade. Let's put a new blade on there. These could be put to use. But this one you can get it for $5. You can get the same exact model for $5 in 2025. But it's still looking in decent condition. Here we have an Empire 2990. Looks like a Raptor square. It's aluminum, so it's in good condition. Just clean it up. It's just dirt. When I found this toolbox, it was covered with leaves. It had a cover on it, supposedly. The cover was a shovel. It was like that. And this shovel looks to be in good condition. Just give it a paint job and it's good to go. So that's pretty much all the important tools. The rest is just like, you know, your generic stuff. Chameleon, self-lock, tape. This guy, what is this guy? I don't think I've ever seen this before. Whoa, it's probably some kind of steak. But then what would this be used for, huh? I'm over here being a master tech and I don't even know what this is. Huh, interesting. Little pry bar. This could still be used. Oh, I've never used these before. Huh. Oh, they still, well, they don't ratchet back. I never used these before either. Maybe they're worth something. Oh, a wrench with square ends. Huh? Never used one of these before either, huh? And we're coming up on the last tools. Oh, what is this, guys? It's a screwdriver handle with a, what is this, a sewing needle head. This is an old school tool right here. This is a tire repair tool. And I guess most of you are never gonna use one of these. Most of you are never gonna see one of these, but this tool is old school cool. Adding it to the collection. Generic slip joint pliers. They could use a good polishing and they could be reused. Stainless china, generic cutter. It's stained, so it's not stainless. And the rest is just Allen keys, big old steak, non-galvanized and galvanized nails. Yeah, so that's pretty much it, you guys. It looks like our guy here was just a handyman, general handyman. So there you go. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like this, let me know. And thanks for watching. And that's it for this video. See you guys next time.